Hi, I'm Justin. I'm a horticulturist and I'm a plant lover. I've spent most of my career helping people grow happier, healthier plants. Whether it's testing new varieties, or translating greenhouse science into real-world advice, or just helping people understand why their plants don't look like they think they should. I believe plant care should feel approachable, not intimidating. Plant care isn't about being perfect. It's about understanding your space, choosing the right plants for it, and learning as you grow. That's why I wrote this book, The New Complete Guide to Houseplants. It's filled with tips from a plant lover to both current and future plant lovers. It talks about understanding your space so you can pick the right plants. In this book, you'll get a rundown of nearly 100 plant profiles, from brand new ones to tried and true classics. You'll get care tips to keep them looking gorgeous, and then I also share some styling tips so you can make them look their best. If that sounds like a good read to you, please check out The New Complete Guide to Houseplants, on sale now.